Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide alt tabs on Google Calendar apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendars, and then in here you just click on three lines icon at the top. Click on it. And then if you wanna hide the tasks, you just uncheck this task. Uncheck and uncheck like this, and then after this you can go back and the task has been hide on Google Calendars apps. So that's how to hide all tasks on Google Calendar apps. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.